Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream in a mixer jar. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chilling your cream, bowl, and whisk attachment beforehand helps achieve perfect peaks. Make sure your mixer jar is completely dry. Now, carefully pour the chilled heavy cream into your mixer jar. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Secure the lid and start your mixer on a low speed. This gentle start helps prevent splattering and ensures all ingredients are well incorporated before increasing the speed. Once the ingredients are combined, gradually increase the mixer speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream beginning to thicken and increase in volume. Keep a close eye on the consistency. You want to stop mixing when the cream forms soft or medium peaks, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Overmixing can turn it into butter. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite desserts like pies, cakes, or fresh fruit. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. For the best taste and texture, consume your whipped cream within 1 to 2 days. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.